Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chennai location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for production supervisor position. It is from Flowmetric Filtration and Instrumentation Private Limited. So it is for Chennai location. So you should be having diploma or BE Mechanical Engineering for the post of production supervisor position. So superior for Teleflow Strainers and Pressure Vessels company, which is located next to DLF Ramapuram. So the candidate should be having 5 years of experience in a mechanical fabrication shop. So these are the experience and experience details. So and the qualification details. So please check with all the details. And for more detailed information, and if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for production planning engineer position. So it is from Flowmetric Filtration and Instrumentation Private Limited for Chennai location. So they need mechanical engineer with thorough knowledge on AutoCAD for the production planning engineer role. So the candidate must be having knowledge on MS Office. So for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. So you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for estimation engineer position from Flowmetric Filtration and Instrumentation Private Limited for Chennai location. So for this job role also they need mechanical engineer with thorough knowledge on AutoCAD for estimation engineering role. So the candidate should be having a good knowledge in MS Office. So these are the skills details, and for more detailed information or else if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for faculty for fashion designing position. So faculty position is there from for fashion designing. So it is from FIDA, the design school for Chennai location. So coming to job description, ensure all the batch students are taught according to the syllabus courses offered by the institute, and work with the students who are studying degree or a certificate or taking class for improving knowledge or career skills, and develop an industry instructional plan for the courses they teach, and ensure that it meet institutional standards and planning and giving assignment to students on various topics. Faculty members are expected to provide instructions and directions to students according to the stream they are studying, and you should be responsible for assessing students designing work and assigning grades within the policies of the institution, and you need to organize industrial visit to students according to the courses, and also encouraging and appreciating of creative ideas of the students, and stay informed about the changes and innovations in their respective field. So these are the details about this job opening. So for more detailed information and for to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for lead courier position. So it is from DHL Express for Chennai location. Coming to job description, assist a supervisor to ensure that couriers attend to customer needs at all times in a professional manner through constant GEMBA courier guide, and assist a supervisor to ensure that courier delivery met RDT and PU or uplifted as per RFU and NOMIS PU, and assist a supervisor to ensure that customer feedback and inquiries are attended to, carrying out customer audit on monthly basis and analyzing the causes and recommend strategies to service them better, and you will be the eyes and ears of the company at the interface of the customer, and update the company on key customer expectations and areas where the company is failing to meet the customer standards and expectations. Ensure customer delight and loyalty. So these are the details, and this is about the job description. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. So you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this lead courier position. Next one, there is a job opening for sales processing associate position from Hewlett Packard Enterprise. So it is for Chennai location. So coming to responsibilities and also as well as the education qualification details. So the candidate should be having high school or equivalent secondary education certification is required, and also or bachelor's degree is preferred. Typically 4 to 6 years of experience is required to apply for this position. And coming to responsibilities, provides overall support for sales processing activities for an assigned or multiple business areas or groups, demonstrates comprehensive knowledge and mastery in multiple sales processing areas, including pricing and creating quotes for moderately to highly complex deals, and registering information and producing documentation, order execution, billing, and invoice production, configuration of order systems according to the process standards and with occasional customization, reviews and produces oversight of all sales processing documentation and systems, including data entry and completion, and works with the stakeholders to identify areas for process improvement and propose changes to increase quality awareness and culture in the organization. And you can also check with the other responsibilities provided here. And if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for front office executive position. It is from Work On Tricks, so it is for Chennai location. Any graduates are eligible to apply, and freshers or experienced candidates both are eligible. And it is a rotational shift, no night shift for female candidates. So coming to skills required, the candidate should be having good communication skills and also good system knowledge is required. And coming to job summary, you need to taking care of front desk and patient coordination, and to register details of referral doctor and guide the patient to the concerned department with care, and to provide the any assistance as per the patient's need, and to give a realistic time to the patient and take responsibility for the preparation and dispatch of reports on time. So this is about the job description. And if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video, so you can have a look on the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for junior payroll administrator position. It is from Zalaris for Chennai location. So coming to education qualification details, you must be having bachelor's university degree, and previous work experience is required. And coming to skills required to have a good communication skills, both written and oral, in English and local language, and ability to plan work and make priorities, and willingness to learn and contribute to a positive working atmosphere, and customer focused with ability to deliver high quality services, and business minded and alert to customers needs. So these are the skills. Next, coming to responsibilities, maintenance of employee data, example new hires, changes, terminations, tax information, pension control, and registration of new hires or terminations, or employment changes in employment register, and maintenance of organizational structure, absence or attendance registration and handling, registration of payroll data input, example deductions, benefits, bonuses, and new salaries. So these are the responsibilities details. So interested candidates, you please check with all the details provided here. And you can also apply to this job through the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference. So you can have a look on that one. Next one, there is a job opening for information system administrator position. It is from Genesis for Chennai location. So coming to responsibilities, so you can go through with all the responsibilities provided here. And after checking with all the details, and if you want to know the detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It is available in the description, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for medical representative position. It is from Shield Healthcare Private Limited for Chennai location. So it is for Ambattur location, North Chennai. So salary will be starting from 1,92,000 CTC per annum. So it is for fresher candidates. Monthly field work allowances, ESA and accidental insurances and attractive incentive schemes are offered, and you can also check here with uh, the experience details and other details provided here. So for more detailed information, you can visit on the official website link. It is available in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.